Welcome to the second part of Will It Mesh? This time we will look at one more consumer product and two semi-professional devices. Similar to last time, we will not use the vendor apps. Instead, we will use NRF Mesh to see if those devices are actual Bluetooth mesh devices. We start with another light bulb by LEDVANCE. This time a GU10 spot with RGB color. The interesting thing is that it has way more mesh models than the light bulb we tested before. It has color models, but also a scene server and a time server. After provisioning, we can see the models grouped into 4 elements. Using the first element, you can control the lightness and the color using the various light models. Similar to the other LEDVANCE products, it looks like the generic level servers don't really work as expected. This one can be used to change the color hue. This one should control the color saturation. Unfortunately, it doesn't. And the last one controls the color temperature. Next is a dimmer product by the German company Grässlin. It's a really small device that can fit behind a light switch or inside a junction box. If you want, you can connect a wall switch to control the dimmer. Since we are only interested in the wireless features, we did only connect the standard LED light bulb and the power plug. After provisioning, we can see that there is only a single mesh element. That element can be used to turn the light on and off and set a specific brightness level. It's also possible to set the minimum and maximum allowed brightness level, as well as the transition time between the on and off state. Unfortunately, it does not offer support for scenes and schedules, but all available functions did just work fine. The last product for today is the most complex one so far. It's the NightmatIQ Plus by Steinel. A twilight switch that turns on a light once it's getting dark outside and turns it off once it's bright again. Usually you would fix that onto an outside wall of your house. But for testing, we have only connected the power cord and the standard LED light bulb. After provisioning, we can see that there are 4 elements with various models. The most obvious one is the generic on-off server that can be used to control the connected light. In addition, there are models for setting up scenes, time and schedules. We are currently still unsure how to set a threshold that controls at what ambient brightness the light shall turn on or off. Let's hope it's not hidden inside one of those 4 vendor models. Once we find it, we'll let you know. One notable thing is the sensor server on element 3. Using it, we can get a reading of the current ambient brightness in lux. This is so far the first product we've tested that features the sensor server and even a sensor setup server. In contrast to our first episode of this series, today all products did mostly work. This, however, comes at a price. The LED spot is around 15 euros, the dimmer around 40 euros, and the twilight switch around 60. Still, if you need a device with more than just the very basic models, it's probably worth it. We might do this a third time. Let's see what else we can find. If you are interested in any device that we should test, please leave us a comment below.